Technology and the future of skin and hair care. Technology is transforming the beauty industry from personalized skincare to 3D hair printing. As new technologies are developed and adopted, the future of skin and hair care is likely to look very different from the industry we know today. In this article, we will explore the role of technology in the future of skin and hair care. Introduction. The beauty industry is undergoing a technological revolution, with new innovations and developments transforming the way we care for our skin and hair. In this article, we will explore the role of technology in the future of skin and hair care, and the potential impact of these developments on the industry. Personalized skincare. Personalized skincare is one of the most promising areas of technology in the beauty industry. Advances in AI and machine learning have enabled the development of personalized skincare products and treatments tailored to the individual needs of each customer. 3D printed hair. 3D printing technology is being used in the development of new hair care products and treatments, including 3D printed hair. This technology enables the creation of customized hair products and treatments, tailored to the unique needs of each customer. Virtual try-on. Virtual try-on technology is being used to enable customers to try on makeup and hair products virtually, before making a purchase. This technology enables customers to see how products will look on their skin or hair, without the need for in-person testing. Wearable devices. Wearable devices are being developed for use in skin and hair care, enabling customers to monitor and track their skin and hair health. These devices can provide real-time data on factors such as sun exposure, moisture levels, and hair growth, enabling customers to make more informed decisions about their skin and hair care routines. Augmented reality. Augmented reality technology is being used to provide customers with a more immersive and interactive shopping experience. This technology enables customers to see how products will look on their skin or hair in real time, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Challenges and opportunities. While technology presents many opportunities for the skin and hair care industry, there are also several challenges that must be addressed. Some of the key challenges include privacy concerns. The use of technology in skin and hair care presents privacy concerns. And there is a need for clear policies and regulations to protect customer data. Cost. The initial cost of implementing new technologies can be high, and there may be ongoing costs associated with maintenance and upgrades. Customer education. The adoption of new technologies requires customer education and awareness, and there may be a need for more education and training in this area. Despite these challenges, technology also presents many opportunities for the skin and hair care industry. Some of the key opportunities include improved customer experience. Technology can enhance the overall customer experience, from personalized skincare to virtual try-on. Increased efficiency. Technology can enable skin and hair care professionals to work more efficiently, reducing the time and resources required to deliver services. Innovation. Technology can drive innovation and progress in the skin and hair care industry, leading to new treatments and therapies. Conclusion. In conclusion, technology is transforming the skin and hair care industry, from personalized skincare to 3D printed hair. While there are challenges to be addressed, the opportunities presented by technology in skin and hair care are significant, including improved customer experience, increased efficiency, and innovation. As the industry continues to evolve, the development and adoption of new technologies will remain a critical area of focus, driving innovation and progress in the sector. The future of skin and hair care is bright, and companies that embrace these new technologies will be better positioned to deliver high-quality, personalized care to their customers. Sustainability and technology.